Maybe legal also. See, I get to mention item number 13. It may be common after vacation.
13.
13, 1 3.
Your bail was given.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who's the APP?
Oh,
Just wait for some
Sushma.
time. Just wait for some time. The APP is not there.
please.
Oh, it's a foreigners matter. Just a moment. It's a foreigners matter.
Foreigners.
Hearing will take it up after vacation. Okay. 13. Also, is a represented.
13.
On the prayer made by Mr. F.A. Hassan, learned counsel for the petition. Best for hearing immediately after the ensuing summer vacation.
Obliged.
Daily list item 1 for motion.
Yes, date of the order.
Order is page 60.
Page
60.
60. 3924. Okay. Mr. J. Ahmed, counsel for the petition. All the respondents are there. I didn't take my case number responsible. Opinion dated 39/2024, page 60. Ten days time to take bail of rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of
SP for better.
as Superintendent of Police, Border, Borpeta. 4 weeks.
Item 2.
May I please, Lordship, the petitioner had availed a home loan from the respondent bank. Due to default in his part, the loan account declared NPS. Subsequently, SARFAESI proceeding was done against him, and his asset has been sealed. Thereafter, one proposal has been made by the respondent to pay one time 25 lakhs. Accordingly, the petitioner had paid, and they assured that they will unlock the asset properties, but they did not till it. And
Where is that offer?
no return offer was made. It was on verbal. The payment was made by the petitioner. I have annexed it.
Will you be happy if I give you a verbal order, not a written order?
What? We will do.
In this case, will you be happy if we give you a verbal order and not a written order? Yes, sorry, you have to dismiss this matter.
Lordship, I am appearing for the bank on behalf of Mr. M. Sharma.
You want a notice?
Lordship, we haven't been received the copy, read petition copy, Lordship.
Give a copy.
Yes, I will provide that.
Okay, there's a copy of the both says sorry. Mr. B. Focal and counsel for the petitioner is presiding. Miss
S. Yasmin on behalf of M. Sharma.
F. Jasmine on behalf of Mr. M. Sharma, then at counsel for the respondents. Raise that a copy of this writ petition be served on her. Let a copy be served on the counsel for the petitioner list on 18/7/2025.
Deeply obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item 3.
Okay. May I please allow?
Page 43, huh? Notice returnable on it 1/8/2025. Extra copies in course of the day, call for the records. Right. Prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. List on so and so. Just before that, you write, in the event the petitioner, namely so and so, is apprehended, he shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court.
Item 4,
That please, Your Lordship.
Which page is the opinion?
Impugn order is case number, Lordship, 43. Oh, this is system, sorry.
Page number
14 here, 14.
43. Okay. 29/8/24. Okay.
Lordship,
Mr. P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. The response is there. Page 43. Opinion dated 29/8/2024. Bail or please 5,000 to the satisfaction of 10 days time to take bail.
Lordship,
Satisfaction of
Lordship, yeah, he's not in detention camp, Lordship.
Bail, you don't want
you
a
don't
bail?
want a bail.
Yes.
Then please tell us.
SP?
No,
Yes, no.
Lordship.
No.
Item
You
5.
say this much, you don't understand this much.
Item 5 is so similar matter, Lordship, same family.
5.
Lordship, opinion dated is 27.
27/5/2015.
Page.
Lordship, page 42, Lordship,
Page
42.
22. 22.
22. You have to wait for some time for bail. Here, make it returnable on 1/8/2025. The prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. In the meantime, the petitioner, namely Muhammad Ayub Ali, is apprehended, he shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. There's an Ayub Ali, alias Ayub, AYOB, Ayub Ali.
Item 6,
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, order on page 63, my lord. Relevant portion 65, ex parte order. ma'am.
Sorry.
Yeah.
24/5, 25/4. 25/4. Page 60.
You will have to wait for some time for bail. Mr. AGRTL and counsel to the petitioner.
Till then, some protection, my lord.
Notice is not to
Till then,
deport
some
you.
protection.
Page 63, opinion dated 25/4/2022. Notice returnable 1/8. Prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. In the meanwhile, if the petitioner, namely Muhammad Mateen, is apprehended, he shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court.
item 7,
Yes, item 7.
May I please, Your Lordship? By this way of this petition, we are impugning the order dated 9/6/25 passed by the Bakija cell of Bakijai branch DC office, whereby the petitioners were asked to vacate the premises. The brief of the case is that the petitioner availed a loan of 20 lakhs rupees, but due to some health issues, he could not repay from 2024. And a possession notice was dated 1/2/25 was sent to the petitioner. Thereafter, petitioner preferred a essay application before the DRT, Guwahati. And during the pendency of that, the bank initiated a Bakijai case before the DC Nagaon. And thereafter, the order dated 9/6/25 was issued, which is at page 23, Annexure E. And we are asked, we are also issued a notice from the bank dated 11/6/25,
Which page is according to your Bakijai notice?
page 23, Annexure E.
23.
Yes, last annexure, Your Lordship.
If you can't read it, we can't give you anything. We're dismissing our petition. If you don't spend any time reading this letter,
Yes, I am going through this letter.
no, you are going, you go through it when you are in your sweet time, not in the court's time.
Lordship. I'm
This
just-
is Bakijai according to you. Section 14A and 14B of Surface Act is Bakijai according to you. Then we can't help you.
No,
We will dismiss it.
Your Lordship.
You have gone to DRT, go there. Page 20 is the document showing that you have gone to DRT.
Yes, we are at the, but during the pendency of the essay, this,
You see, if you don't know the Bakijai in 14, that means section 14 also you have not read. Then how can you stand before the division bench and then say, start reading it here? Mr. Your name?
I'm not for the,
M.R. Surial and counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. H.K. Hazarika, and committed advocate appearing for respond number
1 and 2.
2, 1 and 2. Next. Acha, one is revenue. Mr. Hazarika. Acha, you are there, Mr. Datta. Mr. S. Datta for respond number 1, standing counsel for revenue department appearing for respond number 1, and Mr. H.K. Hazarika and government advocate appearing for respond number 2. Next one. By filing this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has sailed. Order dated 9/6/2025 within bracket Annexure E under memo number E-100-837/3 issued by the District Magistrate Nagaon, by virtue of which the learned District Magistrate, on being satisfied with the application filed by the authorized officer from a Bank of Maharashtra within bracket respondent number 4, filed under section 14 within bracket small a and 14 within bracket small b of the Surface Act, and authorized the concerned ACS, comma, CO and EM, comma, Sadar Revenue Circle to act under section 14 of the Surface Act, comma, 2002, and hand over possession of the assets to the authorized officer of the concerned bank. First of the description of the property is mentioned in the body of the said order. Next order. From the documents appended to this writ petition, comma, appears from Annexure C to the writ petition that the petitioner has already approached the Debts Recovery Tribunal, comma, Guwahati, and initiated proceedings bearing number SA number 19/2025, which is a surface application, and two interlocutory applications has also been filed therein, comma, which are IA number 92/2025 and 93/2025, wherein amongst others, a prayer has been made for stay of the symbolic possession notice dated 1/2/2025. Though this said matter, though as per order dated 27/2/2025, the matter was fixed for hearing on 19/3/2025, but the outcome of this said, no, but the proceedings taken thereafter is withheld from this court. Next paragraph. Be that as it may, as the petitioner has already availed the statutory and alternative remedy as provided under the Suffolk Act, 2002, the court does not find any reason to entertain this writ petition by invoking extraordinary jurisdiction of this court under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Next, accordingly, this writ petition stands dismissed in limine without issuance of notice on the respondents. Next paragraph. The registry shall transmit a downloaded copy of this order to the Debt Recovery Tribunal, Guwahati, to bring the order to the notice of the said authority.
Item 8.
Lordship, impugned order is case number 105, your lordship.
Just a moment.
Lordship.
Page 105. Opinion dated 21/8/2024. Passed by so and so in case number so and so, police inquiry number so and so. Notice returnable in 4 weeks. 10 days time to take bail of ₹5,000 to the satisfaction of
SP Border, Jorhat, lordship.
SP Border Jorhat.
Season,
But
season holding center, Gopuraj, your lordship.
no, but Ms. Verma,
Yes,
please look
lordship.
at 105. The reference was made by SP Border Golaghat. Please check it up.
I have seen that, but she's in the holding center now.
Oh, you're in the holding center.
Yes.
Oh.
Lordship, earlier she was in Kualpara.
Yeah, Matia Gwalpara.
But lordship, during the course of hearing, your lordship, we got to know that she is now has been forwarded to Kokrajhar, lordship, holding center, lordship.
Holding
Because
center.
before earlier it
Kokrajhar.
was not known to us, your lordship.
Okay. Ms. Verma, can we get information telephonically by 2 o'clock? Is it
Yes.
possible?
We'll get it.
Try to.
Lordship, it was the earlier information, your lordship, at this honorable court only, that earlier lordship one petition has been preferred by the son of the.
Okay, their disclosure was
lordship,
made. Oh,
Disposed
okay,
of your
okay.
lordship.
Then we say not to be deported, and the next date we consider prayer for bail. Heard Ms. G, then change that last part, huh? The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that pursuant to disclosure made by the learned standing counsel for the FT matters in connection with WPC number, earlier it petition is number,
The 3272 lordship.
3272 of 2025, comma, it was comma, the petitioner is presently being held at the holding center under 7th AP Battalion, comma, Saraikula, comma, District Kokrasar. Now say issue notice returnable on 1/8/2025. Extra copy, call for the records by usual process as well as by email. As per the prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of travelers records. Next para. In the meanwhile, the petitioner shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Next para. The petitioner shall produce a certified copy of the order before the SP border,
Jorhat lordship.
Jorhat. To bring the order to the notice of the said authority. But Ms. Bora, please be sure. Here it is Golaghat. We are sure that it is in Jorhat, because if you communicate there and they don't have the records, then again there will be delay.
What's the Jorhat tribunal lordship who passed the impin order?
No, not that. Ms. Verma, please.
The reference lordship.
Reference is by Golaghat, page 105. Huh?
References by Golaghat lordship, sometimes
No, the Golaghat does not have the FT, so it goes to Jorhat. We know
Jorhat
that.
lordship, but the bail would be granted by Golaghat, I think.
By Golaghat.
I'm not sure. Lordship can put both the police stations, whichever one is
Achha,
has the
by
record can give the bail.
bring to the notice of the jurisdictional superintendent of police, which may either be superintendent of police border Jorhat or superintendent of police border
Golaghat.
Golaghat.
Wherever the record is, because this problem we faced in Borpeta and Baksa also.
No, we understand. That's why, because today we don't have time for alterations and corrections.
When were you detained? When was the petitioner detained?
Lordship.
When was the petitioner detained?
It was also not known to us, your lordship, because earlier it was to Gwalpara. After that, it has been.
When was he detained?
No, it was detained
When is it?
23rd, 23rd. your lordship.
23rd of
May
May.
lordship.
May.
23rd to 25th.
Otherwise, when
lordship.
she has been detained from in Kokrajhar, it was not known to us, your lordship.
क्या हुआ?
कितनी information पता ले होगा. When she would have been.
It is not a case of the- Where we did it, that one, she said the protocol is the- Oh, nice. Fine, okay.
Miss Bora, you will be in deep trouble.
Lordship.
You will be in deep trouble. Look what you are. These things may backfire. Oh, you have a copy.
I-
In fact, in the writ petition at page 20, who has sworn the affidavit?
She has shown it.
How can she?
How did? Haritama.
Yeah, from Kokrajan.
She's got her wakalatnama, she says.
I understand, but who signed the wakalatnama? She has signed it. How was she in Guwahati to swear the affidavit? 25/6.
Mine is not signed and not dated, Lord.
No, but may not be dated. But it is Guwahati.
You got her wakalat.
I signed so and so at Guwahati.
From there also, Your Lordship.
But that's illegal. This we'll have to issue notice also to the notary.
Notary lordship.
She will be also in trouble.
You know, she's in jail.
Yes, yes,
Not
yes.
signed. So how did the notary?
Yes, yes.
about her
But Your Lordship, what?
You better withdraw it.
After-
Otherwise, you better withdraw it.
It was this.
You have a wakalatnama, we'll return it to you. This, you better withdraw it. Otherwise, many people will be in trouble. Your clerk will be in trouble. You will be in trouble. Your, what do you call, the notary will be in trouble. We'll have to issue notice to her also.
Liberty, Your Lordship.
Yes. Ms. G. Boral and counsel for the petitioner submit that there is some technical error which has crept in the writ petition, and therefore she craves leave of the court to withdraw the writ petition and the connected interlocutory application with liberty to approach again. Mr. Prayer is allowed. The matter stands dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for. Next para, the registry shall return the wakalatnama to the learned counsel for the petitioner by retaining a photocopy thereof for the record.
Dora, be extra careful. Such matters.
Item 9.
And the opinion 26/8/2019 is under challenge. Lordship, can you call for the LCR?
Page number
25, Lordship.
25. 19.
19, Lordship.
You keep the issue of maintainability open.
Lordship.
And next time, take good care of your clerk. Take good clerk. Last day, they should be taken extra care. Because here while filling up the form, he's vanished you.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Sometimes they are very casual. Lordship.
No, don't blame them. We know you, we don't know them.
Lordship.
And Mr. Agarwal and counsel for the petitioner. Opinion is at page 25. 26/8/2019. Notice extra copies in course of the day. Notice it on first 1/8/2025. Before that, say, keeping the issue of maintainably open, comma, issue notice returnable on 1/8/2025. Extra copies, call for the records. Prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. Next one. In view of the pendency of this writ petition, for the petitioner, namely so and so, shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Next, the petitioner shall produce a certified copy of the order before the Superintendent of Police Borpeta to bring the order to the notice of the said authority. No, here also you just say if he's not arrested.
Not arrested.
Oh, then don't say that. Prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of records.
Actually, may I kindly pray for correction of that, whatever wrong is in the.
No, no, you do it later on. Today we don't have time.
Lordship.
Even my court master will not have time today.
Lordship.
First,
All right, Lordship.
Item 14.
Assembly instruction.
it's
I received the instructions, my lord. He has been sent back to Bangladesh.
send back.
Yes. Okay. That's it.
Let's see.
Both the items, my lord, I have received 14 and 15.
Both sent back.
Both sent back. One is a 14 and another is a 15. my lord. 14 and 15. my lord. I have given it together. Okay. Yes, Rahim. Rahman. Not calling my name, is the brother.
EHMR Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the
My
petitioner.
lord. My lord, let them file affidavit, my lord, when he was pushed back.
Oh, we have this much. You want you want to file an affidavit? It will take a long time. Because then this officer will have to come and then do it.
Which law, which procedure, my lord, they have pushed back, my lord? It is also.
For those you challenge, when you challenge it, we will see that. You want to keep it pending? We have no other choice but to keep it pending, but you get nothing. Mr. AHMR Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. All the respondents are there. You see, Mr. MR Adhikari, Learned CGC, has produced a copy of written instructions. From an authorized officer on behalf of the Inspector General, comma, Frontier Headquarter, Border Security Force, comma, Guwahati,
Send back.
comma, thereby informing that Raham Ali, comma, son of Mahmud, so the name of Raham Ali, son of Mahmud, is mentioned at serial number 87 of Appendix A, containing names of 73 numbers of declared foreign nationals, comma, who were handed over to the officer of SHU, comma, BSF, comma, Kuch Bihar, he was thereafter handed over to the officer of 157 Battalion, comma, BSF, and said Raham Ali was sent back to Bangladesh from the AOR of border outpost, comma, Tilak, TILAK, comma, District Kuch Bihar, on the intervening night of 26/27/5/2025. Next part, it is also intimated that as for the letter dated 2/5/2025 by the Ministry of Home Affairs, within bracket, Foreigners Division, bracket closed. It has been laid down that in case of Bangladeshi oblique Myanmar, MYANMAR, nationals identified to be staying unauthorized in the state, an inquiry shall be conducted by the state government of the union territory concerned. And accordingly, it is stated that in the instant case, the said individual was handed over to the BSF as a declared foreign national. Hence, the complete data of declared foreign nationals would be available with the state authorities. Next paragraph, therefore, as it has been disclosed that the said Raham Ali the husband of the petitioner has been, who has been declared as a foreign national and sent back to Bangladesh, this habeas corpus petition has served its purpose. Next paragraph, however, on the prayer made by and constable of the petitioner, that is adjourned. List on 28/7/2025. Stop the before that you said that the instructions produced is returned to the learned CGC.
Item 17.
You 15 again. No, there's records are not come. Okay. 2 matters records have not come.
Okay. 17 or 7.
Lordship, may pass over for this item, Lordship. For the time being, Lordship.
We have instructions, Lordship. 17.
We will take it up after some time.
And along with item number 18, Lordship.
Okay, 17, 18 after
17,
some time.
18, we have instructions, Lordship.
No, sir.
Reported. Pushback or still?
No, they are in holding center, Lordship.
Yes, 19.
Item 19.
Ms. Verma, could you get the information?
Yes, Lordship, just Lordship on confirmation regarding reference. So you just got it now, Lordship. Lordship, she is being kept at holding center 7, Assam Police Battalion, but Barak. It is at Kokrajhar, Lordship. Masjid na? Masjid. Masjid Khatum. हाँ Masjid Khatum. 19 ये वाला ना मलिक कोस्टा ये मलिक कोस्टा उनका बेटा हाँ क्या करेगा वकालतनामा लाके फिर फाइल करेगा
You could hear me. You could hear me, is currently being held at the holding center, care of 7th Assam Police Battalion at Saraikula, Kokrajhar. Next, accordingly, we permit the petitioner, namely Mazida Khatun, along with one family member to visit the said holding center, and on production of a certified copy of this order, in charge of the said center shall permit the petitioner and one family member to meet the petitioner and to take her signature in the Wakalatnama. Next para, list on 21/7/2025.
2 persons can visit, no lordship.
2 persons.
Lordship,
Okay, Malik was, sorry, name of the petitioner will be petitioner Malik Ostar and one family member. Yes?
petitioner along with another family
Yes,
member,
yes.
her deportation will be stayed, lordship.
This is an opinion of,
Opinion of 15/7/2017 lordship. Thereafter, she
15/7.
preferred writ petition.
that was
The
dismissed.
writ petition dismissed, then went to apex court. And thereafter that dismissed with withdrawal with a liberty to file review before this honorable court. Thereafter review dismissed lordship. And then now her next option, and that liberty was being granted by honorable apex court to approach honorable apex court
But
again.
can't
If she
stop the
fails,
petition on presumption that she will file. She may not like to file.
she will file lordship.
No, we don't know.
Till next date, at least till
No.
21/7
All
lordship.
remedies exhausted by now.
No lordship. I have another remedy before the honorable.
No, we are
apex
not
court.
saying no for a moment, but for that,
That remedy I have because liberty was being granted to me when I approached review before this honorable court.
27.
So if I fail my review over here, then I can approach the honorable apex court.
but still we will not be able to.
I will go
Right.
lordship. I will go before the honorable apex court.
Get
Last
order
day
from
lordship.
Get
Last,
order
today is the last day lordship.
Get an order from the Visitation Rights, that much was given.
No deportation lordship. Deeply.
Item 20,
Mrs. Ghosh,
Yes, lordship.
you see, this is not only one matter which we'll be dealing with.
Understand lordship.
One incorrect act done, we'll bind ourselves.
I can understand.
The problem is there.
Deeply.
Yes, Lord. The
Yes,
Procedural
which
Order
page?
is at page 43, madam.
One item matters, eh?
27/9/24. Okay.
Puri Hakim.
And Mr.
M. Ali.
M. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner. Opinion is at page 43. Haptic matter. Case number so. Reference number so. 10 days time to take bail or rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of
SP Gwalpara, madam.
SP Gwalpara, SP border.
SP border, Gwal-
Notice stated in 4 weeks, sir.
of life, madam.
That's right, sir. Same.
time being item 15.
Item 15. Oh, I will be receive it. Chalo bye.
Fifteen is that item 30, criminal 31.
Yes, my lord. Item, yes, WP 31, my lord. He has also been sent back.
Please at least ask them. Here you see. But Mrs. D. Ghosh, sorry, Mr. D. K. Agarwal, the counsel for the petitioner.
May I just 1 2 minutes?
All the respondents are there. Next, pursuant to order dated 26/6/2025,
Dispose police.
the learned CGC has placed written copy of written instructions provided to him on behalf of the commandant by the commandant within bracket capital O small ps operations, on behalf of DIG, SH, SHQ, BSF, Dhuri, thereby informing that
अभी 27 का रात को मैं
in the that the name of the petitioner and the name of Karim Ali appears at serial number 18 of Appendix A of declared foreign nationals. She was collected on 26/5/2025 and we said declared foreign national has been pushed back to Bangladesh side from the AOR of 183 Battalion, BSF, in the intervening night of 26/27 May 2025. Next part has also been informed that as per letter dated 2/5/2025 by the Ministry of Home Affairs within bracket Foreigners Division bracket closed, it has been laid down that in case of Bangladeshi Myanmar nationals identified to be staying unauthorized in the state, an inquiry shall be conducted by the state government union territory concerned. Accordingly, it is stated that in the instant case, Karim Ali was handed over to the BSF as declared foreign national. Hence, the complete data of declared foreign nationals would be available with the state government authorities. Next paragraph, accordingly, on the declared foreign national, namely Karim Ali, against whom ex parte opinion dated 8/2/2025, was passed by the erstwhile illegal migrants within bracket determination bracket closed tribunal, Forpeta, in case number 2402/03, arising out of the reference under section 8 within bracket 1 of the IM within bracket D bracket closed T Act, 1983, thereby declaring him to have been illegal migrant under section 3 within bracket 1 bracket closed capital C bracket closed of the said act, nothing survives in this habeas corpus petition. So accordingly, this habeas corpus petition stands closed without reduced to the prejudice right, if any, available to the petitioner in the matter.
It's just one thing. Please allow them to tell to the court if whether nationality verification was done or not.
That is for the state government. That's why you recorded so much. Verification is done by the state government, not by them. State government hands over and the central government pushes back.
Let the state government say that whether he was identified as a national, because
You are a declared foreigner. How you have to be verified?
nationality test has to, they have accepted on affidavit. The nationality verification test, the Ministry of External Affairs send it to the Ministry of External Affairs of the Bangladesh. So just send, I have been pushed back. He has been pushed back. I am his brother. Let us tell me. That's all. Minimum.
We can't do anything more than that. The instruction produced is returned to the Lord Citizen.
Item 16,
Lordship, item 16, and they are being kept at 7th April. Zakir Hussain, na?
Fatima and Habiba. Petitioner.
Wife and son, so petitioner is Zakir. Yeah, they both at wife and son. If foreigner goes into the petition, goes
না আমার কেসে নাই রেফারেন্স নাই
to asset to.
এটো আইডেন্টিটি ভ্যালু হাজবেন্ড নেম আদার্স নেম
Wife to a case, Zakir Hussain. Son of Zakir.
অ্যাপ্লিকেশন রেফারেন্স দিছে নাকি
So numbers, please. Yes. They've been declared foreigners, but you have not come to the High Court or Supreme Court. Just জানিব বিচাৰিছো because যদি ভোটে
নাই রেফারেন্স আমি না জানো
reference to জানিব inquiry পিছতে reference inquiry to naturally হৈছে either the voter নহলে police website আছে কিবা এটা তো থাকিবই
কিবা তো থাকিব লাগিব কিন্তু
একবার কৰি দিলে নাই
item 16,
Lordship, item 16, wife and son are at holding area 7th APBN, Charaikula, Kokrajhar, Lordship.
Okay, we give
And Lordship,
visitation, right?
their opinions were passed in the year 2019 and 2020 and never approached any forum after that, Lordship.
Okay, we'll record it, but we give him visitation, right? If
Yes,
we're
Lord.
not
as
with-
per our instruction my lord, no reference no proceed against us
No, we
my
don't know,
lord.
but since Ms.
So what-
Verma has received instructions,
So-
we first of all give you a visitation, right?
Lordship.
You find out.
And my lord, the details of the case my lord against us my lord.
No, they will find it out themselves. They already have it here, Lordship. They know the FT number. They cannot now take the plea that they do not know they have a
It's
reference
okay,
against them.
whatever be, but if Mr. Ali says you can provide it, if you can give it, this easier sorts things out.
When they go, Lordship, they'll find it out.
Just give it, it makes Mr. Ali's job easier. Had Mr. R. Ali learned counsel for the petitioner. Respondents, Mr. So-and-so, are present. Next paragraph, pursuant to order dated 26/6/2025, comma, the learned standing counsel for the FT matters has submitted that as per instructions received by her, comma, Fatima Begum, comma, wife of Zakir Hussain,
Yes, Lord.
and Habibar Hussain,
Habibur, Lordship.
Habibar, that is how he spells it.
Yes. he's written Habibar and but the instruction is Habibur,
Okay.
in lordship.
Habibur and Hussein, next within bracket, as per instructions, Habibur Hussein, bracket closed, son of Zakir Hussein, were taken into custody, are presently lodged in the,
Where are they lost?
Yes, lordship.
where are they lodged?
7th APBN, Saraikula,
At holding center,
Koprajala.
7th AP Battalion. Sarai-
holding area.
Holding area.
Yes, lordship.
Holding area. So accordingly. Stop. She has submitted that as per instructions received by her, comma. Opinion, you have the date of the opinion?
Yes, lordship. The mother's wife's opinion is dated 27/4/2020.
Just a moment, just write it down.
Fatima
Then it is
Begum.
submitted that the concerned foreigners tribunal
FP
has-
case number, lordship.
has passed an opinion dated
27/4/2020.
27/4/2020 against Fatima Begum
Yes, lordship.
in case number
1782
1782
oblique 2011.
oblique 2011 passed by the learned member foreigners tribunal.
And that is not given here, lordship. It ought to be.
Okay,
given
jurisdictional
that only.
make it jurisdictional.
Jorhat.
Jurisdictional.
Look at it is under Jorhat jurisdiction.
Ah.
Jorhat FT.
No, since you don't have it, we said jurisdictional.
Yes.
Yes,
We don't.
it's not here, lordship.
Jurisdictional foreigners tribunal. Full stop. It is also submitted that as against Habiba Hussein within bracket, Habibur Hussein, comma, opinion dated
25/2/2019.
2019 was passed by the jurisdictional foreigners tribunal in case number
200/2014.
2014. Next paragraph, be that as it may, in view of disclosure made by the understanding also of the FT matters, comma, court is inclined to give visitation right. The petitioner and one petitioner Zakir Hussain and one family member with the detained to meet the declared foreign national at the holding area. Full stop. On production of a certified copy of this order, the in charge of the holding area under 7th AP Battalion shall permit the petitioner, namely Zakir Hussain, and one family member to meet the detained foreign national and to take signature in the Wakalatnama. List on 21/7/2025.
Item 21,
Regarding deportation part, Manoj.
No,
Because
once
we
they are
do not
declared, we
have-
can't do
We
anything.
do not have any instruction regarding case.
No, it's okay.
Lost.
Mr. Ali, we are not
Lost.
saying anything to you.
Lost.
Maybe they are not aware genuinely, but still, once there is an opinion, we can't do it. 21.
May it pleases your lord.
Yes,
Ex parte order dated 30/3/2019, lordship.
19.
Lordship,
Okay.
I'd like to take lordship to annexure 4 and 5, notice and the process server report, lordship. Process server,
Custody of prayer for bail on receipt of records.
lordship, on the other, there are other two cases, lordship, pending before this honorable court. And in one case, lordship has passed an order to bring the records in that particular case. I'll provide with the petition number, lordship.
Same record.
Yeah, same record, because initially they were not aware about the whereabouts we had filed. And thereafter, lordship, they were not allowed to meet the petitioner in that writ petition was not allowed to meet the detainee in the detention. Thereafter, he has challenged that order, the brother of the present petitioner. Then thereafter, when this honorable court again on 16/6 passed an order in that particular case, thereafter they were allowed and they met him. And again, I have challenged this in this writ petition, Lordship. So in writ petition 3035 may be tagged along with this writ petition, Lordship.
WPC 3035 of
2025, Lordship. But I will also give the order dated, Lordship, wherein this honorable court,
no, it's not required. We'll just say that
yes, on 6/6/2025, Lordship.
it's not required because we'll just give it when we are tagging it with that.
Yes, Lordship.
Now this is by the detained person.
Yes, this is by the detained person.
Okay. But this is Ghosh, learned counsel for the petitioner. All the respondents are there. Next paragraph. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner was taken into custody pursuant to opinion dated 30/9/2019, passed page 23, passed by so-and-so and so-and-so, which was declared to be a foreigner of post 25/3/1971 stream. So it is submitted that initially a challenge to the same to the opinion dated 30/9/2019, impugned in this writ petition was assailed by
The brother, Lordship.
name
By Bahajuddin, Lordship.
by Bahajuddin, who is the brother of the present petitioner. As at that point of time, the wakalatnama of the petitioner could not be collected. So it is submitted that the records of the relevant case has already been called for by this court by an order passed in, is said WPC 3035 of 2025. So it is submitted that in the meanwhile, as wakalatnama has been collected pursuant to orders passed by this court, the present challenge has been made. Stop. We record that on the next day, the other matter may be closed. There cannot be true challenge.
No, yes, this is not that. That was 3035 is to know about the whereabouts. Because at that time, the second writ petition is, Lordship, which he has challenged. The brother was not allowed to visit. That is 3349. Actually, the 3349 can be.
No, we are not interested in 3035. Then we change that to 30.
3349.
3349 may be closed, Lordship, but 3050 in that particular case, records were called for, Lordship.
30.
3050. One is 3050. That is the initial.
You said
writ petition.
3035.
No, 3050. Lordship.
No, you said
Yes.
3035.
That is my mistake, Lordship. I have the order also, the writ petition number 3035.
Yeah, that is what now you're saying.
Sorry, 3050.
She's kind. It's
3050.
3050.
I apologize, Lordship. It's 3050.
You want to do a toss?
No, Lordship. 3050.
3050.
Order dated 6/6.
Order dated 6/6, Lordship.
ठीक है ना?
Yes, order dated 6/6.
तो कौन सा बंद करना है अभी?
Will be closed. That
3349.
all other two writ petition can be closed.
Lordship, once the LCR is tagged to this petition, then
Then-
the other two petitions can be closed, Lordship.
So, in the second part, when we said that the brother of the petitioner has challenged the same impugn order dated 39/2025 by filing WPC
3349.
3349 of 2025. However, the relevant records were called for in WPC 3050 of 2025.
Yes.
Next paragraph. Accordingly, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. extra copies in course of the day. Next, as the relevant reports have already been called for. Let this matter be tagged along with be listed along with WPC 3349 of 2025 and 3350 of 2025.
3050.
3050,
Yes.
3050 of 2025. Give a date after 4 weeks.
Lordship,
date after
can it,
weeks.
21st, Lordship?
No, this, we are all fixing all these matters in this.
Lordship, even in the processor report, return the notice unserved, Lordship. It is.
No, we
written.
understand, but still,
I'm in detention, Lordship.
we understand, but it can't be helped. We are fixing so many matters in this few dates. 25, okay. 25/7/25. Returnable on 25/7. Okay.
Deeply. Lordship, one small correction is there if it's order dated, ex parte order dated 33/2019, not 30th of March 2019.
Okay, you see it from there, page 23. Huh? Okay.
Deeply right.
Twenty-two.
Yes, which page is the opinion?
Lordship, page number 28, your Lordship.
28.
Lordship.
Okay, you have to wait for some time for bail.
Lordship.
Mr.
Muhammad A. Rahman, your Lordship.
Muhammad A. Rahman, the counsel for the petitioner. All the respondents are there. Page 28, opinion. Dated 3/10/2023. Pastor so-and-so, list number so-and-so, PE number so-and-so. Notice returnable on 1/8/2025. Stock of in course of the day. Call for the records. Prepare for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. Next, in the meanwhile, if the petitioner, namely Maymana, Maymana, Khatun, Khatun, is apprehended, she shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. List on 1/8/2025.
Highly obliged.
Time being item 17.
File na kintu instruction.
In this case, my lord,
Ashe.
ex parte order passed against Shariful Islam, my lord. I am not Shariful Islam. I am the my lord, Shafiqul Islam, my lord. I have a my lord birth certificate, my lord, voter card also, my lord. And my lord, my name is appear along with my mother, my lord, in the voter list of
I have the instructions where they are at present, Lordship. The stand he is taking, he can always take it up later, Lordship now. Lordship, he is Najifa.
Shafiqul Islam.
Sariful.
I am not Shariful, I am Shafiqul.
It's okay, you don't have to tell me. আমার petition নাই আমার petition copy media কে আপনি কেস ফাইল করেছেন কোড দিছে পয়সা সব বলে বসাই দিয়ে দে জিতেন
Miss Verma, in the last order, we also directed that the Kolhapur police will also obtain information as to whether the proceedee, Sofikul Islam, son of late Kuddush Ali,
One in the same.
is one and the same as so and so.
Well,
It'll take some time.
Instructions.
Okay. But there's a lot of similarity, except for spelling change.
No,
Your name of your father also matches.
yes, only father name is Mrs. Miller, that's why Miller is picked up Miller.
We
And
don't
in
know,
this
we'll
case,
find
Miller
out.
also, Miller was not served.
It's okay.
Assuming but not admitting Miller, both are same person.
He's presently at
With AP holding area 7 APBN. Charaikunda, Pokrajar Lodge.
okay. Don't deport him when he's taking that plea.
Lordship, we can wait till the report comes from Lordship may not pass their order, but we will tell them not to do.
No, we pass an order because this 15 days will be on vacation. What happens in the meantime, we don't know.
Inquiry report comes. Till then.
Uh,
And now, Lordship, we want extra copies of the petition.
Give us a soft copy and a hard copy both.
Already soft
But
copy.
Mr. A.M. Ahmed and counsel for the petitioner. For the respondents are there. Next paragraph. Pursuant to order dated 26/6/2025, comma, the standing counsel for the active matters has submitted that as per instructions received by her, comma, the Sofiqul Islam, comma, the son of the petitioner, is currently being held at
Holding area 7 APBN.
7
Pokrajar.
Pokrajar. Next paragraph. Accordingly, the court is inclined to permit the petitioner, namely Nafiza NGIFA Najifa Khatun, comma, the mother of the petitioner, along with one family member, to visit the to produce a certified copy of this area and on order before the in charge of the
Holding.
holding area, 7th AP Battalion, Saraikula Pokrajar, and on production of the certified copy, the in charge of the said holding area shall permit the petitioner Najifa Khatun and one family member to visit the to meet Safiqul Islam and to obtain his wakalatnama. Next paragraph. By order dated 26/6/2025, quoted also issued a direction to the learned standing counsel for the FT matters to obtain information as to whether Sofiqul Islam, who was apprehended on 1/6/2025 by the police personnel from Golaghat police station, and the proceedee Muhammad Sofiqul Islam, son of late Kuddush Ali of village Siliki Patti. This we will get in the last order of 26/6 at paragraph 4. So and so, comma, son of so and so are the same person. Accordingly, till the next date of listing or till the inquiry is concluded, comma, the detained person, namely Sofiqul Islam, shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Just now.
Next one. I have 18.
Till the next date of listing, the detained person named so and so shall not be deported out of the country. We had made it conditional. Till the inquiry is made, strike out that. Not be deported, not to be deported. Because the petitioner was filed this writ petition. If she's the mother, then she is declared to be an Indian national. So the son will naturally get the protection. So he's not to be deported. This town. Say 25/7. This her opinion is also annexed in the petition.
We don't have a copy.
Give a copy.
Soft copies, Lordship, no hard copies. So no.
I am giving both. Both
Okay,
copies. I am
give
giving.
it,
Yes,
give it.
This file has.
Because-
changed now.
Because otherwise she'll be in difficulty
Yes,
to get
My
information.
lord, I'm giving here.
Okay. Oh, Advocate General is there. You're in which item? You have a right of precedence? Oh, as private, okay. No, okay, then we'll make you wait.
Okay.
Item 18.
My lord, in this case, my lord, a petitioner's elder brother and sister-in-law.
Lordship,
Copy. By the
7th AP been holding area law.
Okay,
My lord, my one prayer, my lord, the petitioner neither petitioner's brother neither deported nor declared foreigner.
okay, first of all,
No
we
any
take that. In the
application.
meanwhile, we get that inquiry also.
Yes.
Uh, Had Mr. A.M. Ahmed and constable the petitioner or the respondents are there.
Similarly,
Next paragraph, pursuant to order dated 26/6/2025, the learned standing counsel for the FT matters has obtained instructions that what is the name of the detained person?
Ismail Ali and
Ismail Ali and Ambia Khatun.
Ambia
Okay.
Khatun, Lordship.
That-
And their
who,
Lordship opinions are also there.
the younger brother. Ismail Ali is your younger brother.
Elder brother.
Okay. That Ismail Ali and Ambia Ambia Khatun were taken into custody by the police personnel from Golaghat police station are presently being held at
Holding area, 7th APB and Saraikula, Kokrajar, Lordship.
next paragraph. The learned constable with the petitioner also submits that as per instructions received by him, there's no proceedings.
No, Lordship, we have the case numbers and the opinion.
Oh, it's there.
It's there, Lordship.
Okay, just one, we write his submission, then we record your
Yes, Lordship.
submission. There's no opinion against the by the for jurisdictional foreigners tribunal against the said detained persons. Full stop. Next paragraph, countering the said submissions, the learned standing counsel for the FT matters has submitted that insofar as Ismail Ali is concerned, against him an opinion dated 24/8/2023 was passed by the jurisdictional foreigners tribunal in case number
FTG 520/2011.
of the 2011. Full stop. Moreover, as against Ambia Khatun, an opinion dated
26/11/2018.
Was passed by the Jurisdictional Foreigners Tribunal in case number
FTG 648/2011, Lordship.
11. Next, be that as it may, as the disclosure of whereabouts have been made, we intend to direct that on production of a certified copy of this order, the in charge of the holding area, 7th AV Battalion shall permit the petitioner, namely Ishaq, ISAHAQUE, Ishaq Ahmed, and one family member to meet both the detained persons named above and to take their wakalatnama to be authenticated by the said authority. Next, we list on 25/7/2025.
Item 10 for admission.
Earlier LC was called for LC and LC has been disabled. This is a contested matter. Your Lordship.
Okay, what is your best document to connect you to your projected parents?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't
best
show us
doc-
wakalatnama, sorry, the voter list.
Yes, ma'am. Voter list is there, Your Lordship. I have
No, don't show us voter list. Apart from voter list, what document do you have?
except voter list, my lord, my father has land Jamabandi, Your Lordship. And my
Which page?
page number 73 to 76. My father name is Dear Your
Just a
Lordship.
moment.
It's 76, serial number 38. Hussain Ali is my-
73.
Yes, my lord. The particular page is, Your Lordship, 76, Your Lordship. Last name, Your Lordship, Hussain Ali Pita Ibrahim. Serial number 38.
No. Jamabandi was why am Jamabandi to electric yes,
Mr. Saikia, can we request you to please see something in this matter? We'll just forward you this file. Page 74. It's in the back. Oh, you have it?
Yes,
Okay. Page 74 is the Jamabandi.
Jamabandi.
You see, when till few years back, when this was not digitized, I have also called your the standing counsel for the revenue department to tell him, also to the government advocates we have told. You see, in the handwritten Jamabandi which we had earlier, we used to have the year of the Jamabandi. The Jamabandi may be of 15 years or 30 years. So those years of Jamabandi were written in the first. Sodor Jamabandi Iman Bosor Nokol, Sakrito Nokol or copy. That was the language used. So we could identify the period in which these Jamabandi's entries were made. Therefore, we want to, in these foreigners matters, we track the first
Jamabandi.
holder of the land. So we come to know that which year that Jamabandi was. So whether he is an Indian national or he may be a subsequent person entering into Assam, that would be evident. Now in the courtroom, when we are looking at the documents, we don't have time to read each and every entry. Therefore, if those things can be introduced, you can just examine
Definitely.
You see, if we get the year of Jamabandi in the certified copy, then subsequent entries may come. But the original, somewhere it should be written, the original entry of Jamabandi, say supposing the original entry, let us say it was 6475 Jamabandi, then there will be 6 persons, assuming. It can make a mention somewhere that 6 persons are of Jamabandi of so-and-so.
Of that period.
So therefore,
To
then we
go
come
back
to know.
that historical data.
So then it's very easy for us to understand.
Okay.
This is the problem which we face in the bench. I am not
I understand.
concerned with the difficulties of
Yesterday,
litigants
we
giving
made
me.
one change recently in this electronic module. The reason of rejection of certain applications is not indicated. So another code indicated me. So we have already instructed and they have adopted. They have upgraded the module of 2016. Now we can give all the reasons of rejection of an application. I'm just giving an example. So this also, Lordship, will definitely, without an observation in the order also, I'll take care.
Okay. No, we don't want to make an observation. Then what
Yes,
happens
it's
is that
okay.
we
It has come to
divert
the
from the
honorable
issue.
note court's observation. So we'll definitely, and that makes sense, Lordship. We
Because
can
now,
straight away we can go.
yes,
from
because now
quick care it was-
supposing in this case, the petitioner is claiming through person in the Jamamandi whose name is, let us say at page serial number 15. Now 15 name came when? We have to track each and every entry and then find out the antiquity of this person. Whether this person has a base in Assam before 1971.
That.
So it takes a lot of time.
Lordship. So
And,
what Lordship is indicating, if I'm not getting it incorrectly, that in the Jamabandi earlier it was that in which period the Jamabandi was issued.
Yes.
Same should be adopted now also.
Yes.
Because from it will be a
Because
prospective one.
you'll remember what happened was the other entries of corrections or deletions were made in red ink. And that was as per the executive rules and orders where the deletion was made to be made in red ink. So everything was identified in a handwritten certified copy. We could understand what is happening. We don't want this color to be made here, but at least if the original, say if they are 1 patadar or 6 patadar or 5 patadar, if against them it is written their names entered in the Jamamandi of so and so, it becomes very easy for us to understand the.
So the year of issuance of the Jamabandi.
In respect of the first landholders. First landholder will be either 1 or 2 or 4 people. After that, they sell or the other people, they get their inheritance and their names come subsequently. So subsequent entries, we always get a remark here. But for the original landowner, we never have a remark.
So what is your Lordship's suggestions on that?
If I can just show it to you, please come to this Jamabandi. You see the first
74 is
here you will see first serial number
Circle officers report.
is 49.
Yes, 49.
It should not start with 49. It should start with number 1. Then number 1 name will be deleted. After that again 9, 8, 7, then 13, 6, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50. Then we see 1.
yes, ma'am.
It's very difficult to track. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So even if you want to make an inquiry as to what is happening in this Jamabandi, it becomes very difficult since it is not in serial order. And the first name will be the first holder of the Jamabandi, name of the first right owner. So if again that entry, it can be said, his name appears in Jamabandi of so-and-so.
At least first one.
At least the first one.
No.
So then we can track. Otherwise it becomes very difficult.
এক নম্বরটা কোনটা এটা?
One is down below. Sixth last entry is serial number 1. After 50, in that page 74. Hanif, he is number 1. And 49 is top. 50 is before 1. So even if I start reading it,
Yes.
it becomes very difficult to understand.
So the first one, the year should be mentioned.
Year of the Jamabandi should be mentioned.
Yes.
Because against serial number 1, if say Mr. Payang is the original patadar, he gets a what you call land is allotted to him. He becomes the first patadar
And there should be indication of the year in
of
which
the year.
I'll do it. I'll take care of it.
Yes. Thank you.
Deeply obliged.
But this German, the entry shows the entry. Your entry does not seem to be of any person who's before 1971. Name of Hassan Ali, against whom you are claiming, is serial number 15.
Yes, my lord. 15 Hassan Ali is my paternal uncle, your lords.
We understand,
He
but
is
his,
also a son of Ibrahim.
but see,
Hussein Ali is my father.
was he alive?
No, now she is demised, your
He
lordship.
expired when?
There is a death certificate, your lordship, 77, your lordship. My father was dead on 23/9/2017.
And what is his entry? His remark is at where?
My lord.
জমা বন্ধু 77 যদি ঢুকাইছে তার নাম কি আছে 87
When did he die?
77
No, 2007. 17.
2017
Yes.
17.
2017, your lordship. Death certificate is there, lords.
Okay. But then his
Page number
entry
77.
is 2007.
Yes, my lord.
2006. The Jamabandi entry is 2006. There's not 71 prior to 71 document.
No, my lord. As per documents, your lordship, my father's name was entry in the year of 1987, your lordship. 38.
97 হলো
You are reading which
1987,
page?
your lordship.
You are reading which page?
Yes, yes, 74, your lordship.
74.
74 from middle portion, your lordship, Ungo, your lordship. From Ungo, there are several paragraph, your lordship. No, my lord.
Your father's name is, grandfather's name is?
Ibrahim Ali, your lordship. That is, my lord.
No, you are saying serial number 15. 15 is Hassan Ali.
My there, my lord, Hussein Ali is there, your lordship. Hussein Ali, Pita Ibrahim Ali, name namjari hoy, your lordship. Ungo, from the paragraph Ungo, your lordship, there are
15 is Hassan Ali. Where is his name?
Right?
Where is his entry?
My name is not there, your lordship.
No, no. Serial number 15 is Hassan Ali. Hassan Ali is your grandfather.
No, my lord. Hassan Ali is my paternal uncle. Grandfather is my Ibrahim Ali. And Hussein Ali is my father. Hussein and Hassan, two brothers, your lordship.
Where is his entry?
Oh, my father's name entry, your lordship, page number 76, your lordship, last portion. Serial number 38, your lordship, Hussein, Pita Ibrahim.
That is in the year.
Last one, your lordship, page number 76.
number 30.
So that is 4/2/2006. That doesn't make it before 71.
Oh, that's good. Yes, my lord, it may be on 2006, your lordship. But Ungo, paragraph Ungo, your lordship, there is also my father's name is there. It may be Hassan Ali, your lordship.
Maybe.
Serial number?
And here Hussein Ali is there also. Here paragraph number Joy, your lordship. সিটার চক্র বিষয়ার 4/2/2006 তারিখৰ হুকুম মতে উত্তরা দেকেরি ফুত্রে আবু বকর সিদ্দিক সোরহাবর স্থলত জামাল উদ্দিন ফজর আলী নামে 2 কাঠা ইমান মাটি হোসেন পিতা ইব্রাহিমের নামে ও 3 বিঘা 4 কাঠা 14 লেসা মাটি নামজারি হয়। So yeah, Hussein is also there, I would say.
You are referring to the reference made to so and so father Ibrahim Uddin, Ibrahim. No, but where is the entry of your father first? Which date? Just tell us the date. We are unable to find out.
Yes, my father's first entry is, your lordship, 38, 1987, your lordship.
So 87 is not prior to 71.
Oh, yes, Lord.
It doesn't make it prior to 71.
Prior to 71, your lordship, Bhodali is there.
Is your name appearing with your father?
Yes, my lord. My name has been listed along with my parent, your lordship, 2000, from 2013, your lordship. Page number 65, 66. But 65 is the total list of 2013.
Just a moment.
My lord.
Page number?
65, your lordship.
This is just.
In the total list of 2013, 2015, and 2019 also, my name has been recorded along with my father, your lordship. Father means my parents.
Question number.
Yes, correct.
2005, first time single voters list. Single. It was one of our darkest association. Darkest page के बाद.
The village is same from 66 to that entry. Give him some protection. But Mr. S. Islam then comes for the petition or the respondents of the pursuant to order dated 2/6/2025, comma, the records of the tribunal is received. Next. On a perusal of the documents exhibited in this matter and considering the projection made in this literature, comma, court is although the learned standing counsel for the FT matters has opposed the prayer for bail. Just for the 2I1, which was bail, however, considering so and so, 10 days time to take bail of this 5,000 to the satisfaction of SP border,
Morigaon Lordship.
Morigaon.
Lordship may fix up this matter for hearing since the records are already here.
The records are available. Issued rule returnable forthwith without requiring any fresh steps to be taken. This is the matter for hearing in the week commencing 18/8/2025. We'll take a break and come back. Mass obligation.
Supplementary item 23 with 24.
Okay. Records are with us, Lordship. Let it come after vacation, Lordship.
If both sides are represented. On the prayer made by the learned standing person for the FT matters, the matter students of John Play, list on. (24/7, 2025). This matters, cities with you. The
Yes,
case record is with you.
Upgraded item 25 for orders.
Sharma,
Lordship.
here also very sad affair. The maintenance of record
Yes.
is more than horrible. Last time we had expressed our dissatisfaction, but for this, I think you will have to interact with your authorities. If this is the condition, you have to do something with it. What is happening is not good.
On last occasion, Lordship has heard the matter.
No, we heard the matter,
Yes.
but on that day, this writ petition was not listed.
Lordship.
And we had taken a view, but when we examined this in the chamber, something else came out. And the manner in which the tribunal is taking up this proceeding. We appear to have lost track of how to conduct a trial. Just a minute. Presiding officer has forgotten how to do trial. They have no basic idea of trial. They don't know how to read an evidence, how to allow a document to be exhibited. And these people are dealing with citizenship. You see DW1, first flag. In this, you've seen DW1?
Yes, Lordship.
This DW1 was filed earlier on point of time, then there were two proceedings. A
Yes.
plea was taken that the second proceeding, there was no reference. So his name was struck off. Then come to next flag. It is DW2, DW1. You've seen it? DW1, second flag,
Yes, Lordship. DW2.
DW1. There is two DWs. First, there's first flag, you have missed it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
DW1, this was closed. After that, fresh evidence, DW1.
Yes, Lordship.
Correct.
Yes.
After 2 or 3 pages, look at the list of exhibits. One to 25,
Yes, Lordship.
right?
Yes.
Now, second and third flag are DW2 and 3, no documents are exhibited. You can omit that. Come to DW4, handwritten. Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
He is given to one exhibit, J,
Yes, Lordship.
correct? Earlier exhibits were 1 to 25.
1 to 20.
Now it is J.
Yes.
Now after that, come to the next flag. What is this? Hajira.
Yes, Lordship.
Now look at the exhibit numbers A to K.
A to K.
Then turn next. LM.
Yes, Lordship.
Next NO. And the documents are substituted.
Yes, yes.
Look at the first evidence. A to G is same, 1 to 7. After that, 8 to 25, documents are substituted.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
The presiding officer is holding the trial as a king of his kingdom. And if you don't bring this to the notice of your commissioner home, all these people will remain in the country for next 30 years. And all this we have to find out without assistance of anyone. It was neither presented by the petitioner nor represented by you. And look at the time we are spending. We are remanding back the matter.
The bill is 125 X number of documents.
Yes, my friend.
Then one witness comes, he gives document number
J.
J. So it is 1 to 25, then J.
J.
Then he gives a Hajira.
Yes.
Then
There is. Again, A to K.
A to K.
And the documents have also been changed.
Now compare it with the first, you'll find document after 7 is changed.
Yes, ma'am.
Without evidence, documents are accepted or evidence is considered.
This is true, my lord.
We leave it to you.
Your lordship may observe this, my lord.
We have observed it,
Yes,
but after that, it is your,
yes, my lord. We'll look into it.
it is your baby. Heard in disposal. This matter has been heard.
আমি রাখি নাকি আমার প্রতি কোথায়
There's some small corrections. I also disposed of, in your disposal also.
Lordship, can we retain the record, Lordship?
You want to go?
Yes,
Okay,
Lordship.
just say, on the prayer made by Mr. Mr. G. Sharma, on the standing counsel for the FT matters, the records of the tribunal are, is handed over to him.
Yes, Lordship. I will send to the concerned.
For returning it back to the concerned authorities,
Yes, Lord.
and to concerned tribunal.
Tribunal.
Okay. You'll have to just acknowledge the proceeds there.
Item 11.
Item number 29 may be taken up. These are all analogous matters.
29.
29.
The matter pertains to Kohima. So whether permission has been sought for,
We don't know.
I think a permission has been granted.
We don't know.
because in the last occasion,
We don't know. In
we
fact,
did not receive because they did not take the permission,
we just check it up because we have not checked it.
Lordship.
Just send it there.
The item number 11 we checked, but it is not within file.
No, we did not check the permission. We have
I think
seen,
permission has been granted because initially
Mention.
we made a mention.
But whether the.
They have,
Permission.
yes,
might be-
they have given the permission.
Should be here.
It's with the registry given the permission, they
no,
took
it
the
will be
letter.
first file go, second file why? First
There
file
will be
go.
some administrative.
This is our first file. to.
There should be in the file.
So what do you mean?
Item 11 to deposition matter.
With the division bench sitting twice a week in Kohima,
Yeah, but itu video. Tapi video. Okay. We'll take it up after some time. We are giving you the records. Just take it up because it is not apparently available. It may be somewhere else. I don't know.
Saturday registry called up to say that your application has been accepted, and after that, that effect.
No,
will
maybe
be-
we don't know about these things.
Then lot of
We just, we'll take it after 5 minutes. Just look at the records in the meantime.
Achha.
He is also making an inquiry with the
Registry.
filing section. He will come to know.
Item 26 with 27.
May please, your lordship, hearing this case, my lord, the petitioner was arrested at the time of filing. He was in custody at the time of filing of this case. And he was released after filing of the case in terms of the Supreme Court's order. This honorable court also passed order releasing him on bail, and that order was also placed before the Tarabari police station. And he was all along attending the Tarabari police station, my lord. And he last attended the Tarabari police station on 22nd May 2025. And he has been arrested, my lord. Arrested, my lord. He was last attended the police station on 22nd 5/2025, and suddenly he was taken custody on 25 May 2025. After 3 days, he was taken custody.
Okay, just,
There is some interim order, lordship has granted, my lord, not to deport him.
no, just a moment. Please tell us, in this,
Resolution.
Hmm?
Resolution. Kamrud Metro case.
Our metro case, but he is from Corpus.
Arrest kone korle?
Arrest to করেছে তারে করেছে তারে করেছে ইয়ার লগত কানেকশন আছে মেট্রোর লগত কানেকশন আছে
Mr. Sharma, the correct records have come, 3129.
Yes, sir.
Last time there was a mistake in the record, different record was come. He's on bail, so we'll have to release him on bail. In view of this, he does not, he's not required to take a fresh bail.
Okay.
Just check it.
Perfect. I mean, this order was enough for me.
That's the only order. First order is the only order.
Yes, yes.
He's been on bail, so we direct him to be released. Just see that record.
Yeah.
It will, But Mr. A.R. Sigdat and counsel for the petitioner, all the respondents are there. Next, please. The petitioner, namely Abdul alias so-and-so, alias so-and-so, alias so-and-so, 3 alias, was against whom opinion dated 18/5/2018 was passed
Lordship,
by the
Lordship. I think Lordship, this order was never communicated to the concerned authority, Lordship. Yes. And Lordship.
Communicated, he was attending.
Only on the basis of Supreme Court's order, Lordship, passed during COVID period, Lordship. He was only on the basis of that order, Lordship, he was.
But still that challenge is pending.
Challenge is pending. Challenge is pending,
The
Lordship.
challenge is pending, he has to be released.
The bail bond was not submitted, my lord. That is what I have the instruction, my lord.
Because he was attending, my lord, regularly.
No. Yes, but he was attending on the
No,
basis
that
of
is two
Supreme Court
different
judgment,
things.
sir.
If the bail order is not communicated,
My lord, order has been placed before the police has seen
No,
and
no.
allowed to go on
No.
as per in terms of the previous attendance, my lord. He was shown the order.
I will
Police
get
has
the
said
written
that not,
instruction in that case, my lord. I
not
have
required fresh.
no. In fact, Supreme Court order and this order were two different things. If the
Yes,
bail
yes,
bond is
yes.
not accepted,
My-
then he may be taken into
That,
custody.
my lord, that is the fault of the police, my lord. I have shown the order of the Honorable Court.
No, we don't know because you see now the instructions are that it is not there. Now who is shown, who is seen, who has made the entries, those things are something which we can't
I
right
have
now
heard-
determine. And if we enter into that determination, then your writ petition, we don't know how much it will be delayed. So
my verbal instruction is that, my lord.
how do you specify here, Sigdat and counsel of the petitioner? Sir, we have said that by an order dated no, opinion dated 18/5/2018 passed by the Senate member, Foreigners Tribunal number 5th Kamrup Metro, Guwahati, in FT case number 372 of 2016. The petitioner, namely so-and-so, alias so-and-so, was declared to be a foreigner post 25 in 1971 stream. Next paragraph. He said opinion was assailed by the petitioner by filing the connected WBC 3129 of 2018. So this court, by order dated 12/8/2022, granted bail to the petitioner on conditions as incorporated in the order dated 12/8/2022. Stop. It would suffice to mention that the petitioner is required to submit to furnish a bail bond of rupees 5,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the said authority. Next para. on when you were apprehended
My lord, on 22nd May,
on
2020.
22/5/2025, comma, the petitioner, namely so and so.
Sorry, my lord, 25 May.
25/5. Okay. The petitioner, so and so, was apprehended by the police, and thereafter he has been where is presently lodged?
My lord, so far our information is Matia Center. My friend can say, my lord.
Yes, Lord, Matthew, at Matthew.
Matia, at the holding center at Matia, Gwalpara. Next, para. Next, we mentioned the case of the petitioner is that in the first week of May 2018, he was apprehended pursuant to the opinion passed against him, and while he was in custody, by virtue of order dated 10/5/2019, passed by the Supreme Court of India in WPC 1045 of 2018, the petitioner was released on bail according to the learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner has been attending the Tarabari police station regularly, and last appearance by the petitioner before the said police station was on 22/5/2025, and thereafter he was apprehended on 25/5/2025. Next para. Accordingly, we require the officer in charge of Tarabari police station to file an affidavit as to whether, pursuant to order dated 12/8/2022, passed by this court in WPC 3129 of 2018, the petitioner has submitted the bail bond of ₹5,000 in compliance of the order dated 12/8/2022. Full stop. It would be permissible to the said authorities, since the personal appearance of the authority is not called for, it would be permissible for the officer in charge of Tarabari police station to swear an affidavit within his before the nearest notary available in his place of posting for filing it before this court. Next para. The affidavit shall be filed at least 1 day prior to the next date of listing. Next para, list on 21/7/2025. Next para. In the meanwhile, in terms of order dated 24/6/2025, the petitioner, namely so-and-so, alias so-and-so, shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Next para, the learned standing counsel for the FT matters shall communicate a downloaded copy of this order to the Deputy Commissioner of Police within bracket border, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati.
But the affidavit will be filed by
The officer in charge, Tarabari Police Station, he is to take bail where?
before the mallet as DCP border.
Kamrup Metro, Guwahati, okay, not Tarabari. Deputy Commissioner of Police, Kamrup Metro, border, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati. Okay.
My
That
lord,
condition is not
he
required.
may be allowed to go on fresh bail.
No, you see,
if
there's
he-
two things. That's why we said, once we complicate things, it becomes complicated. We could have given you a bail, again, a fresh bail and released you. But if you make an inquiry, then you have to do it.
He was attending all along.
No, there are two different things. Mr. Sikdar, we don't have to tell you twice. You are more experienced than both of us combined together. You see, the reason is that once you are on bail, unless that bail bond is there, what happens to the arrest after the Supreme Court order, that will be a second chapter. The other part is that despite everything, if you say that matter can be sorted out by giving you a fresh bail.
My lord, since he is attending, my lord, there is no means here to
No, we understand,
to
but
escape
bail bond
or
is not
to
there, so
avoid
no,
any
no.
condition.
Mr. Sidhu, you're not following us. You see, the first bail will deem to be lapsed when we are passing a fresh bail. So if you are agreeable with that, then it's okay. We'll give a fresh bail.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
We'll fresh bail, my lord. We'll
Mr. Pang, we don't complicate things. We give him bail right now. Strike out this. That. Only that will remain. He is granted bail by so and so. Already so and so. Next para. The General Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that despite the petitioner having been released on bail pursuant to order dated 10/5/2019, passed by the Supreme Court of India in WBC 1045 of 2018, the petitioner was again apprehended on 25/5/2025. Though he had last attended the appeared before the Tarabari police station on 22/5/2025. Next para. The learned standing counsel for the FT matters has submitted that as per instructions received by him, though the petitioner was released pursuant to the order passed earlier, but consequent upon order dated 12/8/2022, passed by this court, the petitioner has not submitted a bail bond. Next para. Be that as it may, as the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner had been attending the appearing before the Tarabari police station regularly, and the last appearance being made on 22/5/2025, and taking into consideration that pursuant to the applicant being apprehended on 25/5/2025 and is currently lodged at the holding center at Matia Goalpara, in view of bail already granted earlier by order dated 12/8/2022, the court is inclined to pass a fresh order of bail by providing that in the event the members of the family, those three conditions. It be, the bail shall be before the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Border, Kanpur Metro, Guwahati, pursuant to which the in charge of the holding center, so next para, on the bail bond being accepted, comma, the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Border, Kanpur Metro, Guwahati shall communicate the same to the in charge of the holding center at Matia, Gwalpara, and on appearance of the members of the family with the certified copy of this order, comma, the in charge of the holding center shall release the petitioner to the applicant to the person producing the certified copy. Family member of the applicant produces the certified copy of the order.
We have to, this bill that
Fresh bill at
Deputy Commissioner.
Deputy Commissioner Guwahati, they will communicate the order of taking bail. Whoever produces the certified copy, to him the person will be handed over.
Deeply obliged.
First of all, and accordingly, this interlocutory application stands closed. Records have come here.
Yes, records are there. No.
As in the main petition, you say, as the all sides are represented, as the records are received, the court is inclined to issue rule returnable forthwith without requiring any fresh steps to be taken. This is the matter for hearing in the week commencing 18/8/2025.
Deeply obliged.
One matter, we finish it off and then take it up.
Item 28.
May I please proceed?
Yes.
I have filed for interlocutory bail application for the protection of the petitioners.
Did not get it. Please repeat again.
This interlocutory application for protection of the petitioners.
Oh, okay.
Well, here the writ petition was filed by the petitioner for his uncle. Kindly take up the writ petition. At page number 10, his prayer is that his uncle has been arrested by police and he was without any notice. Paratate. We filed the affidavit in opposition and we said that he is a declared foreigner and accordingly he has been taken by police and he is now in detention camp Matia. Then they said that the person whom we have taken, he is not the person, his uncle is a different person, we have kept different person. Then we filed a affidavit in reply that the fingerprint expert report is there at page number 35. We have verified the person fingerprint expert opinion is there at page number 37. Now they have come up with a IA that the petitioner, who is a nephew, he is apprehending arrest. He may be arrested by police. So now he has filed the IA before the Honorable Court in the writ petition, praying for re-arrest bail. My respectful submission is the purpose of the habeas corpus petition is not there as on today. He is known that police has. We have also given the Foreigners Tribunal order. That's true.
We don't have. It's not within a roster to give pre-arrest bail.
That's true. That is the IA. But my submission is in the writ petition. The person is known. He is in the detention camp at Matia. We have on oath affidavit we have filed and we have stated. But he has his remedy, my lord. Otherwise, the habeas corpus petition that without any ground we have arrested, that we have denied. It is no longer there, my
Yes.
lord.
What do you submit on this?
Lordship, they have stated in affidavit in opposition, para number 6, that they have imposed registered an FIR against the petitioners. But as per the FIR, the concerned police registered the FIR against the detainee. But they have stated that investigation is going on against the petitioner. Lordship, petitioner has filed this writ petition as a relatives. Just they, as a relative filed this writ petition, they have detained.
No, for that, division bench cannot take it up in the foreign tribunal matters. Arrest of pre-arrest bail will go to the jurisdictional court. Jurisdictional bench. We have to close it, and if you want to avail remedy, you avail before this court in an appropriate manner. You can't take up pre-arrest bail. Mr. Nath has rightly objected.
Yeah, my lord, the judgment passed by the FT, we
It's
have
okay,
already
we are
handed
closing
over
this
copy
matter.
to him. My lord,
Today, we really don't have time.
lordship.
So after filing this writ petition, they have imposed only alleged false allegation.
Okay,
Against the
we'll express our thought.
Lordship.
Your name?
S. Hussain.
Heard Mr. S. Hussain and counsel for the applicant. Next para. Sorry, also heard Mr. D. Nath, learned senior government advocate, appearing for the
All the
respondents.
lordship.
Next para. By filing this interlocutory application in connection with WP within bracket criminal 21 of 2025, the applicant has prayed for pre-arrest bail in connection with DFU PS case number 38 of 2025 under section so-and-so, page 9. Next paragraph. The learned senior government advocate has submitted that pre-arrest bail is not in an appropriate form and has to come before the jurisdictional bench. Stop. Next, is the prayer in this interlocutory application is to allow the applicant to go on pre-arrest bail in connection with DFU PS case number 38 of 2025, the application for pre-arrest bail in the present form is not been maintainable. Stop. Resultantly, this interlocutory application stands closed with liberty to the applicant to move to either move before the jurisdictional court or before this court in an appropriate manner, as the applicant may be so advised. According to this, if liberty is indicated above, this interlocutory application stands closed. Now the writ petition. Heard. So-and-so, counsel with the petitioner, as well as Mr. D. Nath, and its senior government advocate appearing for the respondents. Next para. By filing this application for habeas, this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner seeks issuance of a writ in the nature of habeas corpus, requiring the production of the petitioner's uncle, namely Amir Uddin, alias Mohammad Amiruddin from the custody of the Kurdistan police and for his release. Next para. The case of the petitioner. Now, the petitioner in this case is Rashid Uddin. And the case projected in this writ petition is that his uncle, namely Amiruddin alias Muhammad Amiruddin, son of Lalu Mia, Lalumia, next word, of village Tarapur, Cha Bagan, Cha Bagan, in the district of Lakhimpur. Under PS Lakhimpur in the district of Kachar, was illegally detained by Khatkati, Khati police station at about 8 p.m. on 24/4/2025, and he was produced before the Superintendent of Police, District West Karbi Anglong, and thereafter his whereabouts is unknown. It is projected that no grounds of arrest was communicated to the petitioner or his family, and therefore the detention of the petitioner, the uncle of the petitioner, is illegal. Next paragraph. Contesting the claim made by the petitioner in respect of his uncle, namely Amiruddin alias Muhammad Amiruddin, the
Kindly take up page 30 of our affidavit in opposition, para 6.
What is the advance recounted? Okay, so I refer to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 3. A stand has been taken that the birth certificate annexed to the writ petition bearing registered number capital DS/BD, page is in page 28, para 4.
So, Chief, we have also filed
Oblique
an
D,
affidavit in reply.
B-3362-15 dated 25/5/2015 has been reported fake by the issuing authority. You could not understand this paragraph 4. What about?
The report of the authorities at page number 35. This is the certificate they are relying. We have verified this certificate. The
No,
authority
that's
said
not,
this.
there is then there's this voter's ID. What is that?
Voter ID was based on that. That is why we said that voter ID was not in subsequent. It was also it was earlier point of time.
So accordingly, it is projected that as the other documents like voter ID, oblique EPIC, and other documents were prepared, the authenticity of those Epic, Aadhaar card, etc. is also disputed. Next paragraph.
Finally, para 6, can you see? Para 6, page 30.
For this stand has been taken by the respondent number 3 that Amiruddin, Amiruddin, was declared foreign national by the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal. Which one? Foreigners Tribunal.
Foreigners Tribunal, default.
Foreigners Tribunal, default. By opinion dated, where is that?
But I have a copy, my lord. That it was
Sir,
on
affidavit in reply there.
It was on-
I have appended for
it
it.
was on record.
Affidavit in page number 55. Affidavit in reply.
Affidavit in reply, page number
55.
55. We were opinion dated 7/2/2016.
Yes, my lord.
Passed by the London member, Foreigners Tribunal default. In FT case number 12/10, this page 55. Was Muhammad Amiruddin, MD, Muhammad Amiruddin, Amir, next word Uddin, son of late Noor Islam, was declared to be a foreigner. The ex parte opinion, huh? So accordingly, the learned senior government advocate has submitted that there were good grounds for the police personnel to apprehend Muhammad Amiruddin, who is the proceedee in the case referred above. Next para. The applicant having disputed the identity of the person apprehended and that of his uncle, comma, the respondent number 3 in his affidavit in opposition filed on 16/6/2025 has produced a copy of opinion by the director, State Fingerprint Bureau, CID, Assam, that the fingerprint of the detained person and that of the proceedee, namely Amiruddin, having been compared, comma, the question document fingerprint finger impression marked as inverted commas B-3 inverted comma closed in Exhibit B-3, wide number 946 dated 3/12/2014, is identical with the left thumb impression of Amiruddin, marked as inverted commas S-6 inverted comma closed in exhibit inverted commas A-1. Thus, it is the standard of the state that the arrested person and the proceedee are same and one person. Next one. Although the learned counsel for the petitioner asserts that the uncle of the petitioner was arrested without any just and proper cause, having noticed that the state has produced a copy of ex parte opinion dated 7/2/2016, passed against Muhammad Amiruddin, the projected uncle of the petitioner, in FT case number 12/2010, referred above, and on disclosure that the declared foreign national has been imprisoned and is currently lodged at
Matia Holding Camp.
Holding Center, Matia Gwarpara, nothing survives in this habeas corpus petition. According to
Lordship, in connection of birth certificate, I have appended and declaration from the authority concerned that this is not a
That's
fake.
okay. We are not saying anything on that. We have just said the stand of the state, and we are closing the matter. Habeas corpus purpose is served. According to purpose of habeas corpus served, according to this habeas corpus petition stands closed. Post of nothing contained in this order shall produce the petitioner or his projected uncle in any other proceedings that may be taken up.
So can we get liberty to file for challenging the
Do it, whatever you want, do it.
Liberty will give.
We give you liberty.
No,
We said that this order will not prejudice you.
Okay.
Yes. So you are seriously contesting this IA, or you want a notice to be issued, or you want to allow us
Notice may be issued, my lord.
notice?
The delay condemnation, Lordship.
Huh.
Only thing is that, Lordship, there are too many people, so I may be allowed to take paper publication. That,
No,
that
Mr.
option also.
You'll have to first exhaust that regular remedy, because I'll tell you why.
Lordship.
There may be too many people, but I have a reason.
No difficulty.
I'm just expressing it to you. You may think over. You see, I read newspaper daily, say Assam Tribune, but I never read Assam Tribune with an intention to find my name in one of the summons published there. And you see, the requirement of substituted service under Order 5 Rule 20 is that once the court arrives at a conclusion that the persons are avoiding service, it is only permissible then.
That is fine, Lordship. Only thing is that my job, I am working since 2018, Lordship.
So we understand.
And it is going to be over by next month. So some protection may be given, Lordship. Status quo may be.
But without condoning the issuance of status quo will be very difficult.
They are private parties also.
At least I am not expecting any objection from the government because it is government's creation. I am in this problem. And they have already taken extension also, government.
Yes.
Okay, let's go, considering what Mr. Saiki has said, what we propose is that what we'll do is that we'll permit him to take steps by sending written up notices to the private respondents. We exempt him from serving a paper book. It will be very costly. So that they will keep ready on an appearance. They will supply extra copies as and when they appear. And simultaneously, we give up a newspaper publication.
Lodge,
Because if it is 1 month
it is quite a big
only,
yes.
so we do it. No. Yes, in this IA, IA is item 11.
Hundred and 33 days,
39. I think
133.
you are going for Pausan that, no? 11 is 141 days. 11.
Mr. Saikia,
Lordship.
in this in the note of the Honorable the Chief Justice, the permission was to allow to be moved at the principal seat. Can we provide that after issuance of notice, the date of appearance on the next date will be before the Kohima bench?
The problem is, Lordship, there is a scope of having law and order situation because a huge chunk of people are involved here.
Pardon
That
me?
is the precisely, this is what I am
No,
instructed.
please repeat again. I did not get it.
The reason why it was allowed here, the application which they have filed, it was because they are anticipating some law and order situation in this case. In Nagaland. That is why this case is preferred here. So appearing in the next day there will not solve this problem. 900 persons will be removed, 935 will be removed from the service. And all the villages are involved there.
There is process.
The government will not have to say because they have messed up everything. Because of their default, we are suffering now after 8 years. We have a settled life.
It's okay.
SPO type appointments.
And some are already, because of some situations they were involved, they were all physically disabled also now.
Okay. I heard Mr. D. Sekar, the senior counsel, assisted by Ms. Emily Kopil, and counsel for the applicants. Also heard Mrs. T. Road, an additional advocate general for the state, along with Monica. Your other name I forgot. Keshi, huh? I'm Keshi. Your designation is additional AG, along with additional advocate general. For the respondent numbers, you will be for respondent numbers.
In item number 1,
11,
item 11,
IA,
respondent 2 to 8.
2 to
8.
8.
And in 12, also 2 to 8.
TGC will be there.
29. Central is also a party.
Ms. Rita Devi and CGC appearing for respondent. I have message the board. Next paragraph. By filing this application, interlocutory application, the applicants are seeking continuation of delay of 143 days beyond the period of limitation in filing the connected infra court appeal, which is preferred against the judgment and order dated 29/2024, passed by the learned single judge in WPC
195, 22.
195 within bracket K of 2022 in the Kohima bench of this court. Next issue notice returnable on
First week of August law.
4/8/2025.
4/8.
4/8.
Expiry. In view of the submissions made by the learned senior counsel for the applicants, that there is some urgency in the matter, or the court is inclined to provide that the applicants shall take steps within 2 working days for service of notice on the respondents by registered post with AD. Next para. In addition, the court is inclined to permit the applicants to publish notice of appearance on 4/8/2025 by making display publication of notice in which newspapers?
One is Nagaland Post.
Nagaland Post and Morong is there.
No, there
The
is
Morong.
English. There's no.
Oh, Nagaland Post is not there anymore.
There's
Morong.
no Morung.
Morong. MORUNG.
Nagaland Post.
English. Nagaland Post is finished.
So stop. The publication
It's not there.
shall be routed to the registry of the court and thereafter published on or before
Eastern. No, it was mentioned.
14/7/2025, indicating the date of appearance on 4/8/2025. Next para, list on 4/8/2025. Here there are only 34. So here we have asked you to send by registered post. 34 is not much. And then
In everywhere it is like that only.
only 30. We thought that they were more, but
More or less
applicants are more.
35 or 40
No, we thought applicants.
applicants.
25.
We made a mistake of assessing. We thought the applicants were the respondents.
Yes.
That is what we were thinking.
So one of them.
Okay. And any other matter?
29.
4 more matters.
4 more meters identical.
Item 12.
11, 12,
11, 12.
29, 30, 31.
11, 12.
Same orders.
30.
Same order in all the.
Only the days will be different if between 133 to 149 days.
And respondent also.
The delay, number of delay.
Just.
Who is actually 40
Yes.
What-
Respondent also different.
No, please tell us so that
We will-
the court master will write it
We will
down.
do that. We will do that.
Because we have to resume again at 2.
Yes, we'll do that. Lordship.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Mr. Saikia,
Lordship.
after this, you and Mr. Nath, can you come over for 2 minutes? As AG, I have to tell you something for the
Immediately I can go, Lordship. Immediately.
immediately, because we are both here. Is
Respondent.
Mr. Nath, the same matter we told you yesterday, just briefing while coming, and then
For respondent.
you already conveyed.
We have taken the decision, that part.
Is it done?
It is done.
We have already applied.
No, we don't know. There's
And then
something.
we
is
have done it,
directly
we
coming,
will
yeah.
convey it, Lordship.
Okay, then it's okay. That's all.
Yes.
Okay. That's all.
May I read the FIR?
You have to call for the case diary here.
Lordship.
Just scan copy of the case diary with postmortem report, with copy of postmortem report, comma, if any available, produced on,
After vacation, my lord.
give a date.
My lord, 24, my lord. Lordship, it could be 16, Lordship.
No, we have a lot of matters fixed on reopening.
Then 24th, 23rd, Lordship.
Okay, 23rd.
Item 2.
Deeply obliged.
Your Lordship, the allegation against the petitioner is that he has committed gang rape. I'm a jail warder, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, may be pleased to call for the case diary, I believe. 37 days behind bars, Your Lordship. Allegation of gang rape, Your Lordship, the FIR,
Who's the FIR?
page 12.
You have to call for the case diary.
My lord.
Scan copy of the case diary along with medical report from IFM of the victim. These are all scan copies. When?
My lord, 25, my lord. 7.
25, 7.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 3.
May I please, Your Lordship? So it is translated case, Lordship. The decision is behind a bar from number 10 to 2025, Lordship. The case was pending before the session judge of Udalguri, Lordship. There is a 305 E section attack, Lordship. And Lordship, Behind cover case is not complied, Lordship. There is sufficient time behind the bar, Lordship. Where is Mr. Page number 13 in this premise.
Where is the FIR?
Page number 13, Lordship.
13.
Lordship. First Lordship, permitted Lordship on
305.
305. Clause E, Lordship. But this is not a government property, Lordship. So he is the private property.
Listed on
Lordship. Arrested on 10/2/2025. Page number 14, Lordship. This is a coordinating report, Lordship. Page number 14. Annexure 2, Lordship. And another coordinating report is annexure E, page number 15, Lordship. 2 person is arrested 10 February and 1 person is arrested 13 February. Lordship. The coordinating report, no ground of arrest is no ground of arrest, Lordship.
the registrar call for the scan copy. Of the documents appended with the charge sheet. Number 5/2025, dated 8/28/2025, is submitted before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate. Which court?
My lord, session case, my lord, it is pending. Session case number 17 of 2025, my lord. Page number 2, my lord.
Already.
Which is the charge sheet number also, which is which would be available from the record of sessions case within packet. Type Roman 2, number 17/2025, corresponding to Pandit PS case number 8/2025, from the Court of Learned Sessions Judge Udalguri. Requisitions may be sent through email with liberty to the said learned court to send the documents appended, a scan copy of the documents appended with the charge sheet by email following to this before the court. Next one, list on 23/7/2025.
Item 4.
So, Lordship, 4 is same petitioner's, Lordship. but FIR is defined number. This same petitioners are same lordship, and FIR number is defined. Phone is yes. Same allegation lordship. FIR page number is
Okay. Here the sessions, case type 2, 18/2025, corresponding to Paneri PS case number 5 of 2025. Page 2. Will be available in the record of sessions case number. The sessions is Udalguri.
it's the 18/25.
Okay. Same date. Okay, just also get the information if there are two cases. In the meanwhile, the learned AVP shall also communicate with the Paneri police station to obtain information as to the criminal antecedents of the petitioners.
Item 5.
May I please, your lordship? Rearrest bail application, lordship. It's a cross case, lordship.
FIR.
FIR, your lordship will find at page 18. May I read the FIR, lordship?
18.
18, lordship. It's in vernacular, lordship. May I read the FIR, lordship? FIR is lost against 7 persons. Two of them are lordship.
You call for the case diary.
Lordship, it's a cross case. In fact, the petitioners, they are also injured. I have annexed the
We don't know,
medical
but
certificate.
if you, if people are attacked with dao, etc., you have to see stick, dao, dagger.
Lordship, that is absolutely vague. The allegations in
No,
the
we don't
FIR
know.
are simply
Unless we see the
vague.
injury report, we won't be able to say anything.
Because the case diary which was perused by the learned court below, which allowed the bail of one of the petitioners, who is accused number 7 in the FIR. Your lordship may kindly have a look at page 39 for a moment.
No, we don't have time. There's hardly 20 minutes time more.
Rejected by trial court earlier. Rejected by trial court earlier.
No, we don't know. We will, right now we don't have time.
But the trial court also says that the version of the FIR is not.
It's very simple. I can hear the matter, this matter for the entire next 20 minutes and then rise.
Lordship.
But today we don't have time to do that.
In that case, if I may pray your lordship to adjourn this case and fix it on 30, lordship.
No, we are asking that for the production of case diary. It is scanned copy of the case diary.
May I pray for adjournment and fix it for 30, lordship?
30, my lord.
You want an
Vacation
adjournment?
code, my lord.
Vacation code.
Vacation code, I am not
Cannot-
fixing any matter.
Lordship.
You have to mention.
If it is adjourned, it goes after vacation.
It is adjourned by
On the prayer made by and constable, the petitioner, the matter stands adjourned.
Lordship, may I pray for an adjournment, lordship? Not without fixing it on 30.
Fixing summer vacation.
Adjourn, lordship.
Adjourn.
Lordship. Obliged.
Item 6.
May I please, Lordship, Learned Senior Counsel HRS sir, yeah, meter may be taken after few times. Learned Senior Counsel HRS sir, will within 5 minutes, 5.
No, if it goes, it goes after vacation.
Lordship, within 5 minutes.
5 minutes, I don't have time. I am rising at 2:45.
Lordship, yes. Lordship.
I'm sorry about this.
But this is a case by the two adult person not having some relation. And 69-year-old kindly says 69 is not at all attracted also here, but 69 case was registered one. The loss kindly says FIR is page 29. And
Where is the FIR?
yes, page 29 and except 3, madam. With due respect, I beg your lordship. 7 years ago, I came to know the accused and in pursuance of that proposed me for romantic relationship. Accordingly, we are in romantic relationship for the last 2 years. After entering into a romantic relationship, the accused was making promises to marry me, and in pursuance of that, used to visit my house regularly, her house. And on 31st January 24, accused came to my house and formally gave my mother and others a promise to marry. Though I was in a relationship with him and he used to pressurize me for physical relationship, but I did not allow him to get into such relation till consummation of the marriage ceremony. On 26/8/24 at around 11:30 p.m., after getting to know that nobody was in my home, he came to meet me, and after promising to register our marriage within 1 and 2 days, he forcefully on so and so matter. After that, the accused started to maintain distance from me, and whenever I talked about marriage, he used to stay away from me by making excuses. Since December 24, he, after finishing the entire relationship with me, started to prepare for marriage with some Remy Kolita. When I protested, he threatened to shoot and kill me. This way the accused. This is a case for my
Allegation of forceful intercourse.
yes. No.
But after 10 months.
Yes, madam.
Okay, we call for the case die in the meantime, we give him protection. You are a police person.
Madam?
You are a police person.
Yes, yes.
Then why should we protect you? You must know the law.
No, madam, your lordship, kindly see, nothing happened, madam. Page 38, your lordship will see. WhatsApp, nothing. She said never, no physical relation at all, madam. This, madam, she is saying, madam, on 2nd June 25. And FIR is, madam, 31st 5/25. Just page 38, madam. 37 is the English, madam. No, I'm sorry. 38. 38, madam. This is her own, madam. Yeah. And I filed earlier, madam. My FIR is also will find page 20. Yes. FIR lodged by the present petitioner, madam, page 29. My FIR. I filed my lord. Your lordship will 19/6/25. Oh, sorry. Petitioner lodged by the 31st May 25. Page 22. Thereafter, she filed this case.
Your story has to be false. You take advantage of your situation.
Ultimately, madam, your lordship kindly see, madam, even anything, I have gone to her house. It is not, how can it be, even if there is a madam, it cannot be forceful, madam. Everything happens in her own house, madam. And she herself saying, page 36, my lord, your lordship will find 37, 38, madam.
Once you make me read papers, then something more tumbles out.
No, I am not saying, madam. I am only saying, madam, whatever
Page-
done, it was done my response.
Page 22, 23, 24 shows the existence of relationship.
No, relationship, nobody denying, madam. Not about disputing. I am also not disputing. Anyway, madam, I think, madam, he is always, but whatever is required, madam, he will give a statement and he will provide.
Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel, Assistant Minister.
One number.
A.S. Chaudhary. E.S. Chaudhary, Carla, Counsel for the petitioner. Page 2, Mukarma pays customer so. Is very medical photo of the victim come available. This for the state of listing. Is prepared for interim bail is post bail release. APP, considering the nature of case projected in the FIR. Which the existence of some relationship, the existence of an old acquaintance with the complainant and the petitioner, who is intent to bail 20,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting officer. There is granted the following conditions. 7 days he'll appear with the IO. This on.
Appear.
This on.
My lord, 37, my lord, 30.
30.
My lord, since he is a police personnel, my lord, so there should be some condition, my lord.
Yes,
Within 7 days.
within 7 days.
Obliged.
Item 7.
Where's the FIR?
FIR page number lordship is 19 lordship.
19.
19 lordship. It's cross FIR lordship, my FIR lordship page number 25. My medical document is there, injured, head injured photo is there, lordship.
We'll call for both the case diary.
Lordship, police recovered me and police took me hospital, lordship. My photo is, the injured photo, head injured photo is there, lordship, medical report is also there, lordship. After lodging my FIR, lordship, subsequently he lost the FIR, lost the FIR, lordship. My FIR number, lordship, 126, lordship. Case number 25, lordship.
No, she
It is not the husband and wife, lordship. This footage there is financial amount regarding mention the FIR, lordship. There is, both are known to each other, lordship. Very question. My medical report is also annex, lordship. And photo is also annex, lordship, petitioner number 1, lordship. After the incident, lordship, informant,
Just a moment.
accused number 1 called the police, lordship. And police took them to medical, lordship.
No, with the injuries of this sort, we call for the case diary of both cases.
Case that a medical report, ma'am.
Along with the medical report.
Then the case diary of GR case number 2322 of 2025 and GR case number 2323 of 2025.
Lordship, poll number patient 128, lordship.
128 and
One is 128 and my affair is, lordship, 126, lordship.
I don't, there's a GR number also written
Yes, lordship, GR number is also there, lordship.
at page 30 and page
Yes, lordship, GR number is.
15, GR number is written.
Yes, lordship.
They'll be able to locate by GR number.
Better, I'm to call for a photo with the PS.
Yes, yes, it is better.
Okay, wait. Then right, Poltamja PS case number. What is the first one?
128, my lord.
128 of
2025. Second one is 126.
2025, and the other second one is
126.
126 of
2025.
2025. This is from Paltamjar,
My lord.
18/7/2025.
My lord.
Lordship, already petitioner appeared before police, lordship. 35 notices there also, lordship.
Where is it?
Annexer, lordship, 5 AB, lordship. Page number 34, lordship, and 35. Already appeared, lordship. Both
That
the petitioner appeared.
That we do not know whether they appear or not.
Police register after that, lordship. But interim protection may be given, lordship, as because, lordship, my injury report is there, lordship. Everything is there, lordship. But police register the case against me on non-verbal section, lordship. modest and attempt to murder their lordship. But they attacked me, lordship. Informant along with family member, son or wife, lordship. Medial was already annexed, lordship, with my affair also.
What is name? Mr.
J. Ahmed, lordship.
J.
J. Ahmed.
J. Ahmed. And Mr. Ajib Burwal and Council for the, you don't repeat for the state. The petitioners were pending arrest in connection with page 2. So it's wait for previous bail under section 482 and BNSS. And the case data, both the case data and we produced next paragraph. On the projection made by referring to NHL 5 series that the petitioners on receipt of notice from the officer in charge of Patanjali Police Station had appeared for investigation. Relying on the safe notice of the constable, the custody interrogation of the petitioner may not be necessary. Accordingly, bail of rupees 15,000 with one surety of like amount. 10,000 each, one surety of like amount, with satisfaction of the arresting officer. Production of case diary on
18/7, my lord.
18?
Since interim is given, my lord. In a fixed on, my lord, 28, my lord.
28, okay, 720, right?
High level.
Item 8.
8.
Yeah, please, sir.
Yes.
The anticipated bail application, Your Lordship. Earlier in this case, Your Lordship, PS 105/2029, he was allowed to go on bail in the year 2020, Your Lordship. The page 17, annexure 2 is the.
Here, where is the FIR?
The FIR, Your Lordship, at page 11.
11. Okay, where is the order of bail?
At page 17, Your Lordship. Page 17 is the order passed on 5/10/2020. And accordingly, he appeared before the IO as per the direction of the court and he cooperated with the investigation. But later on in the year 2023.
Just a moment.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thereafter.
Thereafter, in the year 2023, Your Lordship, he appeared before the IO. He cooperated with the investigation. In the year 2023, charges were laid down, and he was being charged as absconder. And now he has been charged as absconder and he is apprehending arrest because, Your Lordship, and the lower court, he has been given the last chance to appear in the next date on the 2/8/2025.
You'll have to appear. We will not what you call prevent you from appearing.
Yes, Lordship, but the embargo here comes in, Your Lordship, because
that we are not concerned. Is the section is there.
Yes.
460 is 460.
Lordship,
What is that provision?
Yes, Lordship, at 480 clause 1 2 of the BNSS.
480.
81, man.
480.
Requiring a presence. If there is a law, it has to be complied with.
Yes. But in a similar case, Your Lordship, at page 26, I have given a case where it has been allowed to go on anticipatory bail.
Can be done. There is a provision that has to be complied with. We can't make the provision odious.
Since the case is a sessions tribal, Your Lordship, he will appear before this.
No. On the same day, you can always make a prayer for bail. It's not in all cases that we come to know that the sessions courts have never granted bail on appearance.
He has to attend for the chief judicial magistrate because of then the
Production is on the same day.
then he may be taken into custody also because
You will have to be taken into custody and then produced before the sessions court. But sessions court, I have never heard that a sessions court on receipt of.
so Lordship may kindly peruse the page 28 of the.
No, you see, we also receive information from the trial court. Is it a case that in all cases where committal is made, the sessions court never gives a bail? Then
So earlier he was given bail, so.
we understand, but
Lordship may
once
give a
there is-
direction, but he may be.
I'm not making this 480 surplus one OTOs. Sessions court has the discretion of granting a bail. Since this there is already a bail order, you show that to them. You already have been granted bail.
Yes, Lordship.
We don't know. After so many judgments of Supreme Court and this court, you are still expecting that after you are granting bail, you have been given bail, you will be arrested and then taken. This petition is just a lawyer's paradise. You have not advised him well. What does the Supreme Court say when you are given pre-arrest bail? What is the opinion of the Supreme Court? What is the opinion of our court following the Supreme Court orders when you are granted bail? You're just misleading your client, nothing more. We heard Mr.
Yes, Ahmed.
S. Ahmed and counsel of the petitioner. The case prayer for pre-arrest bail is made in connection with ERC numbers, so page 1. As per the learned APP has pointed out that the petitioner has already been granted pre-arrest bail. Right, order dated 5/10/2020, passed in AB 2117 of 2020. So, having seen that, having seen the contentions contained, the contents of the said order, the court is of the opinion that this present bail application is unnecessary. Accordingly, this matter does not warrant any order, does not require any order from the court, and according to this, bail application stands dismissed.
Item 9.
Wait, please, your Lordship.
Yes.
So this is a period, there is bail application, Lordship. Lordship will find the FIR is at page 14, Lordship.
Page?
Page 14, Lordship.
14.
There, the case has been registered under section 108 of the BNA for abatement of suicide, Lordship. There the informant son has committed suicide, Lordship. And the main allegation, there was a business transaction between the son of the informant and one Onkit.
We'll call for the case diary. The charge sheet has not been submitted.
No, Lordship, in recent case, Lordship. It was registered on 22, Lordship, 22/6.
Let the case diary be produced
And
on.
the main allegation is
Scan copy of the case diary be produced on. From which place this matter is from?
From Lordship. Dispute PS, Lordship.
Dispute. Okay. You can get it 18th?
My lord.
18/7/2025. Along with the postmortem report, inquest report, scanned copy of inquest report and postmortem report, if available. We require only scanned copies, my lord, in my orders, or even if I make a mistake of calling for the case diary, please have it scanned copy.
Till then I may be protected because
No, no,
the
no.
allegation against the one Vikas Kumar Lordship.
We'll
The
examine
only
the
allegation
reports.
against me, the Vikas Kumar along with me
Somebody
spreading,
has died, we have to see the case
spreading
diary.
rumors against the petitioner Lordship.
If somebody has died,
against
we have to
the-
see the case diary. Or before that. Yes.
Obliged, yes.
Item
Item
10.
10. I think I'll not be able to take up any other matter because I have to rise.
But page 8 is there, young man.
Hmm?
Husband and wife before worship, my lord. And it is out of my the two hands, the,
Page?
everything. My page 8, you look at this, man.
Page 8.
Page 8. Respectively, back to state that accused number 1 had been giving me indecent gesture for the first few days on 22/5/25. And
You get the case diary here.
Madam,
You ask for a case diary here.
my lord,
Attempt to rape.
just it says, but tried to, my lord. I lift your worship, my lord.
That's
Wife, my lord, nothing. So, your lordship kindly see, Peter not two may be given, my lord, some lady, my lord. Husband and wife, my.
okay. Wife will protect. Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
Ayu Chaudhary.
Mr. Ayu Ahmed, Ayu Chaudhary, and Counsel for the petitioners. Page number.
Page 8
One.
is there. Here.
Manipur case number so and so. With the case diary produced on scanned copy of the case diary with medical report of the victim, if available, be produced on when
Well, from
Produced on
Manipur,
so and so.
22nd, my lord.
22, 7, next para. In light of the nature of complaint made in the FIR, although the done APP has opposed the prayer for interim bail, the court is inclined to grant interim bail to the petitioner number 2, namely so and so.
Najma Khatun.
20 rupees, 20,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting officer. Condition, she will respond to the petitioner number 2 shall appear before the IO within 7 days from the date of the order and do the investigation.
Obliged.
Other matters will be left over. Will not be able to take up.
Yes. Hey.